Oh, hello again.
Oh, hi, how are you?
Hi, Ashley.
Today I'd like to talk to you about a new product I'm testing. This is a mop.
What is its name?
Let's call her, oh no, it's the 360 mop. Let me demonstrate. Look at this mop head. That's some nice fabric there. Yeah, it's good. And so normally with a mop you've got splish, splash, and you're making a mess everywhere. This one, take a closer look. It's ready with just a nice up and down motion. Now we've got our mop suitably wet. Just going to dry her off before we give her a go. So let's see that motion again. Do you want to check this out? Just like that. Just like that. I think we're all used to this motion. Now she's ready to go. Little tighten of this screw here to stop the spin, and let's mop. Look at that. Beautiful.
So after using the Hoover for like 10 days.
Well, I've only had it 3 days and I've probably used it 100 times.
Tell us more about this Hoover.
So you're hoovering the floor, you're like, oh, and then you think, oh look, there's a spider web up there. I need to. Don't worry. Off we go. Easy. I'm giving the Shark Rocket a solid 9 out of 10. It's just brilliant. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, and you don't have to move any furniture. Let me demonstrate. Oh, I want to hoover under the bed. Am I going to have to move it? Oh no. Easy.
Yes. Hi, Ashley.
Blue everywhere. Oh, hello, and welcome to another Ashley Cleans. That's silly. That's one of the main rules. Don't spray at people, especially not in the face. Little wish wash to the patio here. Isaac had a go. It's not really that clean what he did. Just looks amazing. Oh, I love you. Oh, isn't that nice? Over here you can see me having a little clean, a little wish wash of the patio here. Let me show you. You ready? It's a bit loud. And look at that. Even the filthiest messes are cleaned up. Also, you can just stick it up your bum.